Was Saddam Hussein a hero who stood against powerful nations? Or a dictator feared by his own people? The answer depends on who you ask. Saddam Hussein became the president of Iraq in 1979. During his rule, Iraq built roads, schools, hospitals, and one of the strongest armies in the Middle East. Many Iraqis remember a time when education was improving and the country appeared more stable than some of its neighbors. To his supporters, Saddam was a strong leader who defended Iraq's independence and challenged foreign influence. But there was another side to his rule. Human rights organizations and historians have documented political repression, arrests of opponents, and harsh actions against groups that resisted his government. Critics say people lived in fear and had very limited freedom to speak against the state. Because of this, many people consider him a dictator rather than a hero. In 2003, a US-led coalition invaded Iraq and removed Saddam Hussein from power.